Our races united of a history long forgotten and the future we shall face together. Hi, this is Himanshu and you're watching Sustainable Every Day. Why I'm talking about the future? Because मेरे पीछे, just मेरे पीछे Museum of the Future है. I don't know if you can see because the sun is there. But I'm talking about the future because this is GITEX और यहाँ पे हर तरीके के innovations के बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं. It's an exhibition just for innovation and products such as 5G technology, artificial intelligence, cloud computing and things based like robotics and drones. तो वो कौन कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी है जो हमारे आने वाले फ्यूचर को बेहतर बना सकती है और जो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा विच इज़ समथिंग रिलेटेड टू आवर रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सेगमेंट, वही मैं आपको आज इस वीडियो में दिखाऊंगा गाइस. तो चलिए चलते हैं इनसाइड द गाइटेक्स. तो गाइस हम लोग गाइटेक्स में अभी आ चुके हैं. सो इट इज़ हैपनिंग एट द सेम प्लेस जहाँ पे दुबई के सारे एग्जीबिशन होते हैं, विच इज़ द वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर. और अभी एंट्री पे आप देखोगे तो बहुत सारे नीड फॉर स्पीड वाले जितने भी स्पोर्ट्स कार हैं, दे हैव शोकेस. इट्स रियली कूल. आई गेस दे आर शोकेसिंग एक्सबॉक्स और प्ले स्टेशन. So guys, just like we have a 2D video call conversation, so there is a company called Aska 3D company. So they have developed a holographic image of 3D video conferencing. So I'll show you an image. So guys, it's a 3D image. You can see the reflection. I'm standing there, but the moment I'll slide somewhere, you will see a holographic image of a lady. She's there. She's waving the hand. Okay. I don't know where is she. Means it's oh, boom. It's completely holographic. You see, I'm going this way. It's all transparent now. So guys, I have entered the courtyard of GITEX and suddenly I came across Mr. Nitin, who's the founder of Surya Logics. And if you don't know, Surya Log is a really cool data asset management tool. So it's a cloud-based platform where you get a hardware which you can integrate with your present solar power plant, and equipments like solar inverters, your sensors will get coupled with this device, and you can monitor your asset, the performance of your asset, the payback of your asset in real time. Now we'll hear from Mr. Nitin that what is the USP of this product and how this product is going to be the thing in the market, especially in the renewable energy sector. So hello sir, welcome to my blog.
Hi Himanshu.
As I said, I was talking about Surya Log, so I just want to hear from you that how this technology, how this asset management tool is going to be the next thing in the market, and what are the USPs of the product, sir?
Yes, of course. So everyone knows solar is growing fast, and UAE and Middle East is the next market for the solar energy and solar industry. And we are coming up with the tool which is complete customizable as per the requirements of the client. And we have tried to put in our expertise, domain expertise into this platform and the hardwares which we are supplying. And for the multiple applications like data loggers or PVDG controllers, zero export controllers and reverse power management techniques, or maybe the local SCADA and ground mounted SCADA with the all IT related securities, data securities can be achieved through this tool and these hardwares. And another point is having a one-stop solution. So instead of going with multiple companies, we have complete solution package for hardware, for local monitoring, for remote monitoring, or not only the remote monitoring, but the remote management techniques to avoid the manpower involvement or to make the life easier by managing the assets from your office anywhere in the world. And we have products like hybrid controllers, mini microgrid controllers, or even solar, wind and storage all together. You can have a single platform for all these, including hardware, softwares and management services.
So guys, just now you heard Nitin sir about this product Surya Log. It's a really cool product. I have personally used it on my site. The interface is really good in terms of getting a resolution from your data, daily basis monitoring. So if you want to know more about Surya Log, then do check out the video description where you can get a link and directly land up to the platform. So guys, very soon Road Transport Authority will be equipping their fine system with the robots. So When you'll go to their office, you need to ask the robot, मेरा fine कितना चल रहा है? How much is the fine I need to pay?
Choose type of violation. Please go to the reception counter to obtain rating tickets.
There is so much delicious food here. Don't you want some? Yeah.
Guys, अभी यहाँ पे एक BellaBot नाम की कंपनी है, so they have designed robots which can fetch you anything you want, whether it is food, whether it is any item. और अभी यहाँ पे एग्जीबिशन में these robots are fetching business cards and they are sanitizing the exhibitor area, so it's really cool. Just have a look.
Such delicious food here. Don't you want some?
It's avoiding obstacles, so there are like proximity sensors installed in front of the robot, so they are not going to hit anything which comes in front and they'll fetch you anything you want. तो आई होप गाइस आपको ये वीडियो काफ़ी अच्छा और इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा होगा, क्योंकि बहुत सारे कम आइटम थे, मतलब जिस हिसाब से मैं आया था कि गाइटेक्स विल बी फुल ऑफ स्टफ एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, जो मतलब देख के एकदम मज़ा आ जाएगा, बट आई वॉज अ लिटिल बिट डिसहार्टेंड. बट अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, कुछ इन्फॉर्मेटिव चीज़ आपको दिखी होगी, सो जस्ट सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल सस्टेनेबल एवरी डे एंड आई विल कैच यू गाइस इन माय नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो गाइस.